If you're here for Palantir, so you probably already know who this guy is. CEO Alex Karp of Palantir. Let's get into everything. We're going to talk about it. We're going to just go through some things. Should we buy the stock now? Should we wait? Hold, buy, sell? What are we doing? I'm Miss Moneymaker. This is anything that moves. All right. We're going to get back to this guy. Let's go to the chart first. Let's do a little bit of analysis. This is Palantir, 4-hour time frame. Let's get into it. So let me just move my marker. All right. Wanted to move my marker to just get this. So you see here we have this blue line over here, left side of the screen. Okay. You see this blue line here? Let me just turn that to green and just minimize it a little bit. How we hit here, we bounced off. There was some resistance there. Okay. Later, the stock shot through this level, shot through that same price level. Okay. Around 20, a little bit less than $22, right? Shot through there. Okay. So where am I going with this? Okay, we did a little bit of action here. Point is, we came to this area, okay? We had resistance at this area before. We had resistance at this price level before. Shot through this price level. Support here at this level before. And now here we are, okay, at this level. Why am I talking about this level? Whenever a stock keeps hitting the same price, repeatedly, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this would be like the 5th touch. Okay, so we have 4 touches at this price level before. The stock is probably going to react to it again. It'll probably go up. So this area of price and this area. So my point is, what am I saying? This level between here and there, to me, that's like a buy zone. Yeah, that's a buy zone for me. Okay, that's a buy zone for me. Will we break and go below it? We can. And if we do, you see this? You see how big of a drop that was? How big of a spike up it was? Then yeah, it'll be like, it could be a free fall for a little bit. But will that happen? We don't know. No one really knows. Okay, but we could hit this level and break above. Okay? So I just wanted to show you why I'm saying it. Because prior resistance at a level usually later becomes support. Okay? And it may become support again. So you just feel your way into it. Just go stop and say, oh yeah, throw the whole kitchen sink right now. Because is the market going to keep selling off? So I just wanted to show you that, right? I want to also show you, see here, see this? This is head and shoulder pattern. This looks like a shoulder, head, shoulder. So this would be somebody's face, and that's their 2 shoulders right there. Okay, hold on. Did you catch it? You see it? Shoulder, shoulder, head. So over there where we were, it looks a little similar. Okay, of an area, was this a shoulder, and this a shoulder, and this was a little smiley face head? Okay, boop, right there. Okay, because usually when that happens, then if it started here, then was it finished here, right? Because the man is drawn and complete now. And is that, so once again, another reason why, that's what I see. When I look at that, I see it could be a little bit of that. So are we here again testing the same support of that head and shoulders? We also have another thing that's going on. I don't know if you see this, where it could be, I'm just going to draw this. Just bear with. Hold on. Let that disappear. Just give me a second. All right. Drawing these lines. Okay. I really wanted to get that in there, right? But this kind of trend line, like a channel, okay? A channel going, let me just try to, okay, hold on. Let's try to use this right here. All right, sometimes it works good, sometimes it doesn't. All right, just give me a second. All righty. Okay, it's not perfect. All right. Will it, see, told you it's not perfect. All right, so will we do something like this? Okay, so will it bottom out in this area? So let's see. Let's see if we're in a little buy zone and we'll curve up. If we go down, will we go to this area, right? And then curve up? Like if this is a channel bottom, let's say, this and curve up. Let's see. But my point is, okay, let's look at some of this over here. Analyst rating. See this part here? Neutral. Neutral is like hold. Just wait and see. Technicals, yeah, technicals. Maybe they're saying, oh, maybe so, we're going to go a little bit lower. But maybe we're going to get support here. We don't know. But for me, I'm like, I would hold. And see. Because if you're in this company, you're probably into it because of the thesis. And you know Mr. Man here. I mean, if he's not trying to get attention with the red glasses right there. Okay, this is Alex Karp, the CEO of, Palantir. Okay, so the other day, he described wokeness as the main threat to his tech company and America overall. Well, let me tell you, I like Palantir. Let me tell you, I do. But they do some, don't think this is a squeaky clean place. It's not. This place is connected to Ukraine war, connected to the military, connected to a lot of different things that a lot of people don't, like. But yeah, I mean, I'm a stockholder. But it is connected to some things. So Mr. Man, okay. Mr. Man, also another thing, he only has one parent. So he was hatched from an egg. That's his mother. So he's not listening to his father. I don't know what happened with that. I'm not even trying to get into that. His mother is of African-American descent. That's why he has a little bit of a tan there and everything. So Palantir, they were in Silicon Valley, but he moved away. All right. So now, see, because there's a little bit of a problem. Let's go down here. Okay. So Karp, Palantir co-founder, Peter Thiel. Okay. They have a long taken issue with the culture, okay, in Silicon Valley and describe it as a monoculture and an extreme strain of this word right here. Oh, what is this? Well, this is
parochialism.
Okay. So that's what he's saying is a problem. Because like I said, Palantir is involved in a lot of the things. I don't want to get into it right now. Okay. So maybe some of the people in Silicon Valley are not into it. They're not feeling it. Okay. So maybe they're shutting him a little bit. I don't know. But Peter Thiel is one of the co-founders. Yes. Right here. Look at him. Okay. Right here. He is one of the co-founders too. So, do I believe in Palantir? Yes, I do. Do I believe it'll work? Yes, I do. Oh, for the year, this is where we're at. We're up, okay, 100% for the year. The only thing I don't like, okay, is this. We kind of went a little bit of sideways for some time there. Okay, and then we just spike up. Palantir has that, see here, and then it goes up. But then it's just like, oh, we're not doing much of anything. So it's a couple of months where, it's not really making any moves, and you're not, your money's not working hard for you at that time. So that's where it's like, there's other things to know, other stocks to know about. Like what? Do you see that? This stock said, hold my beer. Yes, it did. It said, hold my beer. If you're still here 8 minutes into this video, I put this. This is one of the hidden gems right here. Yes. And how high is this stock? How much is it up for the year? Look at that. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Hold on. Let that disappear. Yeah. Boop, boop. 1,295%. I can't even say it loud. I'm like whispering that. Yeah. That's how much that is. Yes, so we'll talk about that in another video. For year to date, January to now, 200%. All right? So I like when we're just, let's just keep going up. And not when we have to take time and have all that sideways action. Where was that? Yeah, this time here where nothing happened. So you're probably like, Miss Moneymaker, what is this stock? Well, we'll get into it in another video. I just wanted to give you that eye candy. I don't want to make this video too long, but this is ticker ALAR. Ticker ALAR. All right. And before I go, let me just leave you with a quote. By the way, before I say the quote, I just want to let you know, okay, ALAR. This is not a squeaky clean company either. It's involved in some stuff too. So, am I an investor? Yes, I am. I'm an investor. I am here for the money, and I hope you are too, because that's why my name is Miss Moneymaker. Okay, but they do some shady things too. All right, so want to leave you with this quote from Steve, right? Covey. What you do has far greater impact than what you say. This is his one of his little charts here. All right. See? All right. Okay. What you do has far greater impact than what you say. All right. So people, you could talk about Palantir. You could talk about ALAR. You could talk. Talk is cheap. Talk doesn't put money in the bank, right? It's about what you're going to do, all right? What you're going to do. We have to make decisions. We have to take action. Hey, we have families to feed, right? All righty. I want to make sure all my subscribers, all my audience gets fed, okay? You need to eat, and your family needs to feast. I'll see you next time on Anything That Moves. Bye for now.